Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if the man in your life complains about wanting to have amazing skin, but is too busy to stick to a complicated skincare routine, then you need to introduce him to the simplicity of using these products from Strive. Since my husband's been using these on a consistent basis, we've noticed that his pores are looking so much better, his fine lines are starting to smooth out, and his complexion is looking brighter and well nourished. My husband loves that it's suggested that you really only need to wash your face once a day and then use the moisturizer as needed. The scrub is a couple times a week. That really helps to clean out the pores and prep the skin. Now, all of these products were formulated by a chemist, and they made sure that all of the ingredients in these are up to the perfect percentage so that you get optimal results. As far as the serum goes, you're going to want to start slowly. So after cleansing, you're going to want to apply it just once a night every few nights. And then as your skin starts to purge out stuff from your pores, you're going to be able to use it more frequently, up to every night. But give your skin some time to get used to it and don't push it. The daily wash is an excellent cleanser without over drying. The exfoliator is not too rough, it's just the right amount. The serum goes on easily, and the moisturizer is nice and rich and absorbs quickly. We love that these products were specifically formulated for men, and my husband feels that they're easy to use and he sees the results that he's looking for. We think you're going to love them, but that's just our point of view.